Hello everyone, welcome to the elliottwaveforecast.com YouTube channel. So today is August 14, and today's start of the day is Tesla here. 30 minutes time frame. We can see right here that we are calling for the downside into a wave 5. So shorter cycle, as long as it stays below 264.8, we can continue to see more downside over here. Now I think as an alternate, we can of course change some of the positions. We can, if it rallies from here, for example, for some reasons, then we could try to change the structure a little bit and doing a double here, but then it's not going to be before. It's going to, the position will probably change like this. But overall, as long as we stay below 264 here, we should continue to see more downside. Now, if we zoom out a little bit to give you a context, this is a 4-hour time frame here, right? So we're looking for this move down here to finish this ABC, right? Three-ways pullback here. Now we have not reached the 100% extension of this three-ways pullback in Tesla, and therefore we should continue to see more downside, ideally into this 100% extension, 227, 198, and then from here we can then find buyers from here and support, and then starts to extend higher from this area here. So in other words, shorter cycle, we should be looking for at least 227, which is not too far away from where we are, at least. But then from here, if you look at the larger time frame, then the bias actually becomes bullish, because if you look at the weekly, for example, now we already got this massive pullback from 2021 to 2023, and we reached the 100% extension perfectly. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 100%, and then rally significantly. And we don't think that this is a 3-ish rally and then will go down again and continue the next leg down, because that will imply, if it really goes down like this, that will imply Tesla is going to be doing a 7 swing, and it will go all the way down. This will become your first leg, this become your second leg, and we can go to -12, which is not going to happen, right? So as a result, I think this is really the key low in Tesla, and then this is a new bullish leg in Tesla, and therefore any pullback therefore from this point on should continue to find support, and like we showed before, then this is the next support, because that will be your 3-ish pullback at the 100% extension. Remember, if you believe the trend has shifted to the upside, then any pullback should be corrective by nature, and corrective pullback should always be in 3 swing or in 7 swing, and this is now getting into a 3 swing. So to summarize, shorter cycle, ideally Tesla should continue to see more downside into this area, but if you look at it in a more higher time frame, then actually I don't know if it is worth it to chase this. It can happen, but whether it's worth it or not, I leave it to you. I think the more important thing to understand is that Tesla in the larger time frame is not really bearish, because we don't think it's gonna drop like this anymore, and it's gonna be doing like a massive double correction, because again the 100% is negative, which is not gonna happen. Stock will never go to negative, because otherwise companies going bankrupt. So therefore the pullback, we consider this as correction in a stock that has changed into a bullish market, and therefore this area here is going to be in the next support for the Tesla for the next leg up. All right, so that's the update here for today, and as always, if you want to get more updates on Tesla or any other stock, indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.